your maximum plus minimum divided by 2 is called normal reorder period. Now, once you reorder, minimum day will be 10 days and maximum will be 15 days. 4 plus 6, how much it is? 10. 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. Average stock level is equal to minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 3 of your topic called Cost Accounting. Under Cost Accounting, we are doing the chapter, it is Material. Now, in Material, as I told you, you have many things like you have to learn your EOQ, Economic Order Quantity. You have to learn LIFO, FIFO. You have to learn ABC analysis and you have to learn stock level. In today's session, we will discuss about your stock level. So your agenda is very simple, stock level as well as problems. Whatever problems we do, that is on stock levels. Now, so we will do 2 problems in today's session. As I told you, stock level problems are very simple, but you need to remember formulas. Without formulas, you cannot solve stock levels. Now, compute various stock level from the following data. Now, normal consumption, they have given 300 units per day. Normally what happens? Per day, they consume 300 units. Then, maximum consumption, maybe due to festival or huge demand, the consumption will exceed up to 420. 420 will be the maximum consumption of units. Then, minimum consumption will be 240. As I told you, if it is a normal day, it will be 300, and if it is a least, if there is no demand only, then it will be 240 units, and in case of maximum consumption, it will be 420 units. Then reorder quantity. So when should they go for reorder? Reorder quantity is 3600 units per day. Per day, the reorder quantity is 3600. And the last one, reorder period 10 to 15 days. Now, once you reorder, minimum day will be 10 days and maximum will be 15 days. At the last, the normal reorder period is 12. Normally, if the normal reorder period is not given, what we should do? Very simple. You have to take 10 plus 15. How much you got? 27. Divide by 2, that will be your normal reorder period.13 in this problem, they have given directly. If you go as per this calculation, you will get around 13.50. How much you will get? 13.50. But in the question, they have given normal reorder period is 12 days. Then don't go for calculation. Whatever given in the question, you have to accept. First will be your reorder level. Now, how to find out your reorder stock level? The formula is very simple. Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Now, in this, what is your maximum consumption? I'll go back. Your maximum consumption is 420 units. Now, we have to consider 420. Maximum reorder period is how much? Again, I'll go back. Your maximum reorder, they have mentioned 10 to 15 days. 10 and 15. What is the highest number? 15. 15 has to be considered as maximum reorder period. Now, 420 plus 15, you will get 6,300 units. Hope there is no doubt in this. Next, minimum level. So minimum level, everywhere you have to mention minimum stock level. Whatever mentioned in the question, same thing you have to write. Now, reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now remember, if you want to do minimum stock level, you have to complete reorder level. Why? Because without reorder level, you cannot do your minimum stock level. Now, what is the formula? Minimum stock level is equal to reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now, what is your reorder level? Your answer is 6,300 units. Already you have calculated the same value. We copy and we will paste. Now, reorder level we have taken 6,300 minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. I'll go back to this. What is your normal consumption? Your normal consumption is 300 units. Now, your normal consumption 300 and normal reorder period already given in the question itself. If it is not given, how to find out? Your maximum plus minimum divided by 2 is called normal reorder period. Now, in this problem, they have given directly, so we will consider 12. So, multiplied with 12, you will get answer 300 into 12. How much? 3,600. 3,600 minus 6,300. Your final answer is 2,700 units. Your final answer, please make it in a box. Why? Because at the time of valuation, the evaluator, for them it will be easy to identify where is your final answer. If your final answer with the box, easily he can trace that your final answer is 6,300 or 2,700. Next part. Under this stock level, we are calculating maximum stock level. Now, for maximum stock level, as I told you, what is the opposite of maximum? Minimum. So, to remember the formula, opposite of maximum, the answer is minimum. Now, minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Along with that, reorder level plus reorder quantity. Now, reorder level is how much? 3,600 and reorder quantity 3,600. Reorder unit is 6,300. I'll go back to your question. I'll show you how come we got 3600 as well as 6300. See, in this reorder quantity 3,600. Now, reorder stock level, the final answer is 6,300. These two we have to consider. Now, 6,300 plus 3,600, then minimum consumption multiplied with minimum reorder level. Now, minimum consumption is 240 and minimum reorder level is 10. Multiply, add these two, multiply these two. Always remember, if you shuffle the signs, then it will be mistake for you. Whatever sign it is given, multiplication, we have to do multiplication. Addition, you should go for addition only. Now, if you multiply this and if you add this, your final answer, you will get 7,500. Now, I am not explaining you any concept of logic here. Why? Because everything is based on formula. So, whatever formula it is given, you have to remember those formulas. Now, this is done. Next, average stock level. Easy to calculate average stock level. What is the formula? Minimum stock level plus half of the reorder quantity. What is the average stock level? Minimum stock level plus half of the reorder quantity. If you do any number of problems, the formula will remain same. It will not change. Now, 2,700 will be your minimum stock level as per our calculation. Then plus half of your reorder quantity. I'll show you where you have this 2700. See, your minimum stock level answer, how much you got? 2,700 you got. Now, So you have taken 2700 plus half of your reorder quantity. Reorder quantity already mentioned in the question paper itself. It is 3600. Half of 3600. How much? It will be 1800. Now 1800 plus 2700. Your final answer is 4500. As I told you, in every question you will get maximum stock level, minimum stock level, reorder level, as well as your average stock level. Whatever calculation you do, first go with reorder stock level. If you go for reorder stock level, then you can solve maximum stock level. So this is a procedure you have to follow. Along with that, you have a note also that will be normal reorder period is given in the problem. What I told you, the same thing. Normal reorder period is given in the problem now itself, that is 12 days. Hence, it is not calculated. So what we used to do, maximum plus minimum divided by 2 was your reorder period. But in this problem, they have given directly, so we will not calculate anything. Whatever given in the question, same thing we copy as well as paste. Clear? Yes. I'll go back each slide. You can take screenshot. So this will be your problem number 2. In this, you are supposed to prepare normal, maximum, minimum, as well as reorder period. Always go with reorder period first. Later, you can go for normal, maximum, as well as minimum. So these are the stock level. You need to remember in a single sheet, please write down all the formulas. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Maximum stock level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. So this is a reorder level. In this you have minimum stock level also. In this you have average stock level also. So this is all about your first problem for the day. Hope you understood why, because everything is based on formulas. We'll go for the last problem on stock level. So my suggestion, take the screenshot of this question later without seeing answer. Whatever you have done for the previous problem, the same formula you write down, try to simplify. We'll see whether you will get right answer or not. If you gone wrong, no issue. Answer already there on the screen. You can match that. So if there are any mistake, you can correct those answer. Now, problem number 3, 2 components. Now, see, if the problem is for 10 marks, they will give you 2 components. Now, previous problem, it was a simple calculation. Apply the formula, do the answers. But here, same concept we will apply, but for 2 stock levels. Like, whatever average stock level you will find out, you have to do it for A, you have to do it for B. Just assume that you have 2 departments, Department A and Department B. Department A and B you are supposed to do separately. Now, 2 components A and B are used as follows. Now, normal usage 50 units per week. What is the normal usage? These are common. Normal usage, it applies for A as well as B. Next, minimum usage 25 units per week. Minimum usage also will not differ. It is the same for A as well as B. Maximum usage is 75 units per week. So they have given all 3 information. Normal is 50, minimum 25 and maximum is 75 units. Then reorder quantity A is 300, B make it 500 units. So what is the units? 500 units. Now reorder period A is 4 to 6 weeks and B is 2 to 4 weeks. Now what is the minimum reorder period for A? It is 4. What is the maximum reorder period for A? It is 6. Similarly, for B, minimum is 2 as well as maximum is 4. Now, in this problem, have they given reorder or normal reorder period? Answer is no. Why? Because in this, they have not particularly mentioned what is a normal reorder period. Now, then how to calculate? It is very simple. 4 plus 6, how much it is? 10. 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. For normal reorder period, for A, how much? It is 5. Now, similarly for B, 4 plus 2, it is 6. 6 divided by 2, how much it is? 3. So, 4 plus 2, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Normal reorder period for A is 5 and normal reorder period for B is 3. Now, whatever calculation I have done, 10 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2, it should be part of your answer. Why? Because you may feel that my answer is correct, but I did not get full marks. The reason is you have not presented properly. Even though it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, you have to mention in your answer sheet. Why? Because you have not copied from others. So that is the reason the evaluator expects, even though it is a minor calculation like what I did, 6 divided by 2, you do it in calculator and write the answer directly. You never attach your calculator with your answer sheet. Remember that. So that's why even though it is a small calculation, you have to write or present in your answer sheet. Then only you can get complete marks. Now, so we have done with the question part. So we understood the normal, minimum, maximum usage. It is common for A as well as B. And reorder quantity, it differs. For A it is 300, B it is 500. Reorder period will be 4 to 6 weeks as well as 2 to 4 weeks. And the normal reorder period for A is 5 as well as B is 3. Now, what you are supposed to calculate? Now, you are supposed to calculate reorder level, minimum stock level, maximum stock level as well as average stock level. Now, normally they will not ask you danger stock level, but I'll show you one calculation later. But in your examination, you can expect only these 4 kinds of calculations. Now, we'll go for one by one. As I told you, even though they have asked minimum stock level first, always go for reorder stock level. Without doing reorder stock level, you cannot move further. Now, reorder stock level. What is the formula for that? Now, reorder stock level, maximum consumption into maximum period. See, almost we are doing third or fourth problem. You should memorize the formulas. Reorder comes means always keep it in mind, maximum and maximum. What is the maximum? Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Now, what is the formula? Without seeing board, yeah, you are supposed to say now. What is the reorder level formula? Yes, maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Very good. So we done with first one. The calculation is very simple. You are supposed to do for A also. You are supposed to do for B also. Now, 75 units into 6 weeks, your answer is 450 for A. 75 into 4, your answer is 300 for B. Your reorder stock level done. What is the formula for that? Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Done. Now, we'll go for next one. Your minimum stock level. Now, your second one, minimum stock level is equal to reorder stock level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now, how to calculate? Now, for A, we will calculate first, then we'll go for B. Remember, if it is a reorder stock level, all comes maximum. If it is a minimum stock level, all comes normal. If it is a minimum, all comes normal. Now, minimum stock level is equal to reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now, in this, A we are calculating separately and B we are calculating separately. What is the answer of A? 450. So what is the normal consumption? 50. And normal reorder period is 5. 50 into 5, it is 250. 450 minus 250, what is your answer? 200. Your units are 200. Any doubt? No. Same kind we have done for B also. The answer is 150 units. Now you understood two formulas. Now, without seeing board, can you tell me two formulas? The first is what? Reorder stock level. What is the formula? Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. One formula done. Hardly we have 4 formulas. If you learn 4 formulas, you got 10 marks. Remember, your passing is how much? 24. Out of 24, by remembering just 4 formulas, you get 10 marks. It is a bonus for you. Now, we'll go for second one. What is the minimum stock level? Always keep it in mind. If the minimum word comes, all with normal. Now, reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. If you are doing reorder, go with maximum. If you are going with minimum, go with normal. Done. 2 formulas are done. Almost 5 marks you got. We'll go for last 2. So, your stock level, like as I told you, I have done this calculation in the question itself. Same calculation they have done. What is the normal reorder period? It is 5 for A and 3 for B. You have to do this calculation. 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2. 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2. So we're done with your normal reorder period calculation. Now, your maximum stock level, as I told you, it is easy to remember. Opposite of maximum is what? Minimum. So you got the formula. Now, what is the formula? Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum stock level or minimum or reorder period. Clear? Now, if you are doing the formula for maximum is always go opposite. Opposite of maximum, it is minimum. Along with that, you have reorder level also. Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum stock level into minimum reorder period. Now, it is easy. First, we'll do it for A, then we'll go for B. A is how much? 450 plus 300, it is 750. 25 into 4, it is how much? 100. See, individual step-by-step calculation we have done. We can do it directly with the help of calculator, but your evaluator will not get to know you have used calculator or else you have copied from somebody else. That's why you have to show the step-by-step calculation. 25 into 4, everybody knows that it is 100, but it is your duty to show in the answer script. Now, what is your answer? 650. 650 for your A. Similarly, the same calculation you do it for B. We'll see what will be your answer. Now, 300 units plus 500. 3 plus 5, it will be 800. Now, 25 into 2. 25 2s are how much? 50. Now, it will be 800 minus 50. Your final answer is 750. Now you're done with 3 formulas. Clear? Easy or very easy? Very easy. We'll go for last one. Average stock level. Average stock level, very small formula. It is average stock level is equal to minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. Again, I'll repeat. Average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus half of the reorder quantity. Minimum stock level, already you got answer 200 plus half of your reorder period. Half of 300, how much? 150. Now, 200 plus 150, your answer is 350. Done? Yes. Now, the last part of your question, we will do it for B. Now, again, 150 plus 250, it will be 350. It will be 400. What is the unit now? 400 units for B. Now, we're done with all the formulas. Remember, average stock level formula is minimum stock level plus half of the reorder level. Now, you're done with all 4 formulas, so you're with 10 marks now. So, I'll go back to your previous slide. If you want, you can take a screenshot. So, this will be your problem number 3. So, in this, we have done reorder level as well as minimum stock level. So this is a calculation for normal reorder period. So this is all about maximum stock level. This is average stock level. So this is all about your today's session. As I told you, in the next session, I'll explain you the danger level as well as along with that, we'll go for EOQ. EOQ stands for economic order quantity. Thank you.